Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and welcome to episode 1 on a game called Cities Skylines. Now I have around 120 hours punched into this game so far. I am no expert. I know that there's people out there with thousands of hours in on this game, and I can see why, because it has tremendous replayability. You can play this over and over again, create new cities, you can create maps, and you can have different scenarios. So it's great. And considering the price of this game right now, even with all of the DLCs, it is, I think, or it has major bang for the buck. So I'm not going to cover a whole lot in this episode, just to introduce what I'm going to do here, which is basically build a city. I'm probably going to create my own map because I've created a few maps in the past, and I love doing that because, you know, it's unique and it's interesting, and, you know, sometimes they don't work, sometimes they do work, but it's just a little bit more of a challenge. So that's it. That's kind of, I'm just, you know, going to see how it goes. In the next episode, I'll just be going over this interface here, starting from basics. You know, that's where, you know, it all begins, right? And we'll just go from there, and we'll take this journey together. So I hope you will join me. So if you like content like this, remember to subscribe, and you can also consider turning on notifications to get notified when I release a new video, as well joining my Patreon page. All the links are down below. I will see you in the next one.